Assalamualaikum guys and welcome to Dadima's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making something very exciting, a restaurant style club sandwich. Here are all our ingredients we're going to be using. We've got some slices of bread, we've got some cheese, sea salt, black pepper, capsicum, melted butter with oregano and garlic, and mayonnaise and ketchup, boiled egg, tomatoes and some cheese pieces. We're going to be boiling our chicken pieces. Okay, let's get started. So the chicken is boiling. It's going to take about roughly 10 minutes. So we're going to get our sandwich ready in like 10 minutes. So yeah, so you got the stove on to So first we're going to be cutting the edges of our slices. While you're preparing the food, make sure that you have adult supervision while you're doing this. Yeah. Don't try and do it by yourself.
The bread. No, to let them down. And hi guys, welcome to Dadima's Kitchen. Today we're making a salt donut. And Daddy's is cutting the bread with the knife. Then we're gonna cut bread.
Time to cut our eggs. Just slice them.
And here's the egg. And here's the egg. And here's the eggs. Oh, Daddy's trying the eggs. And hi, welcome to Dadima's Kitchen. Today we're making and this is my Mom and this is my dad and Mom and talking to Dharma and looking at Bundra in those empires. Then we have these tomatoes and then then we have the eggs to top. And this is my dad cutting the eggs and then we have the
Ready?
Yep.
Let's cook. Let's place it. Now we're going to get our fork and take like rashes of the chicken out. And we're going to make sure that you split them all.
Then we don't know. Eat the
So you're going to get pieces of the chicken out. Be careful, okay?
Then we don't know.
Because it might still be hot. So you use a fork to do this. Okay? Still going to be very, very hot. Okay, so we've got our chicken, which we have separated into rashes. We have also got our egg and bell pepper and tomato, which have all been chopped up and sliced. Don't forget for the tomato to take the seeds out, otherwise the bread won't last long and also your sandwich will get soggy. Okay, so here are all the ingredients. Okay, so we're going to be adding some mayonnaise to our shredded chicken.
Then we don't put and don't do that. Don't do.
Okay, so now it's time to add some black pepper.
Pop. Then we don't put seeds.
Okay, now it's time to put in the salt.
The salt of Mexico. The spoon with white. I don't know why.
Okay, that's enough. So now we're going to mix it up.
Okay, can I mix? Can I try? Wow, so beautiful. So beautiful, everyone. Look at the slime. The slime is chicken. Chicken like slime. I didn't think it like this.
So as you can see, we are on the final stage of the club sandwich. This is how your chicken should look like. Okay, now let's put our cheese and these onto the side and take one slice. So once you take one slice, you have to add the melted butter. Take about 1 teaspoon and spread it all around the bread. Okay, I think that's good. Okie dokie. So next you have to add some chicken. Okay, now let's get this one and get some of this chicken with mayonnaise and put it onto our bread slice.
And Jenna, can I try?
1 minute, Toddy.
Can I try?
Put it around our bread slice.
Samurai sword on my back. You don't know how to act. Maybe you should relax. Maybe you should relapse. Just kidding.
Now let's add it on top of our egg. Okay. Now we're going to be placing the tomatoes with the capsicum.
Yes, guys, it's a little slime.
Okay. So then we get the other slice.
I don't want it.
We're going to put some ketchup on. That is not spicy. Okay. Now we're going to add it on top of our sandwich. There you go. So there you have it. Our official club sandwich.
No? Hello? Is anybody here? I was looking on nothing in the door. To know what? Anybody? Hello? I'm a witch.
And fold it again. Then you've got your sauce. Then place half of your club sandwich on top. Okay, now your cling, which you should have cut, you will place half onto the sandwich. So there you go, it's covering. Then you got the other end. And cover that. That's how you pack. So this is a very nice way of packing your club sandwich if you're taking it for lunch, or if you want to sell it. It's you can sell it like this with a packet of sauce on one end and like packed up nicely, or you can store it if you want. So that's our way of packing.
So there you have it, our club sandwich ready for tomorrow.
Ready for us to take wherever we need to as well. You can also store this in your fridge or freezer for if you want to eat it later. Please subscribe, like, share, and tell us in the comment what you thought about this. If you have any other suggestions of what we should do, please tell us in the comment. Bye!